Hi, it's What the Trig Math with another video, still looking at Equatio by Texthelp, looking at MathSpace. I'm a Google certified coach, innovator and trainer, and this comes as one of the perks if you are one of those too. So Equatio MathSpace sits at equatio.texthelp.com. That's where they all sit in the web space. And we're going to click on new space today. And we're going to look at this as a whiteboard in place today. We're going to look at the whiteboard features that we have in here. So it's opened up, think Jamboard for maths, because you can drop in images like you can on a Jamboard, and then you could draw around them if you wanted to. But down here, you've got these options in this menu. You go options and you go space options. And it comes up with squared paper, which is cool. But you can go blank and then you can change the colour. So if you wanted to have like yellow, because your students work better on yellow, you can try and find that right yellow for your students and hit save, and it will change for you. And then let's have a look at the cool freehand drawing. So we can just sketch on here. So I'm using a touch screen on my Chromebook, and you can just annotate on here. But what you could do is you could start to build lessons and maybe put some of those images in, like I said. So on this left-hand side, you have this slide sorter view. You can either duplicate the page, or you can hit plus and you can get a new one. Let's insert an image and I'll show you how I would annotate around it in a lesson. Okay, so I've inserted the image. So this is an exam question that I've pulled in from a paper. So I'm just going to close up this menu here by hitting the arrow. I'm going to close the slide sort, and then I've got more of the space when I'm working. Let's get this freehand draw going, and let's expand and simplify. So we've got 2 times x, so that's 2x, plus 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 3 times x, which is 3x, plus 3 times 6, which is 18. And then we can simplify that and we can go 5x plus 24. And so it's just super simple to drag an image in, click in this import files, and then use the freehand draw to annotate around it. Let me just duplicate this so you can see how cool this is. So you duplicate this, and then if we come here, I can just get rid of this from here. And then this time then, let's have a look at using the equation editor. So you don't just have to freehand draw it. Let's have a go at the equation editor. So let's have a go at expanding it this time. So we've got 2x plus 6 plus 3x plus 18. And then if I put a new line, I can go 5x plus 24 and then insert that maths. And so it sort of makes me a bit neater as a teacher as well, that it like types it up. Which is really, really cool. So yeah, just wanted to show you the super cool ways you can use MathSpace in Equatio by Texthelp, and you can import images, annotate around using freehand draw, or you can start to use it for maths as well. And then just to share with your students, it's just that share button, and then hit continue. And then you get your link and you can post to Google Classroom. So a super short video just looking at MathSpace in Equatio by Texthelp.